Badwam TV Badwam Jumede so the radio says so the answer na watchi or the abedru and the efie the adu so no your bedroom kasi and some no near to your mobile obetini yamam penny John Mahama they told Ghana this year anymore say one so emwa one enim dear no from a good year moon a dear on for whom a shim na emwa ya the sansam no ebebro. Mampani so two ministers and they are buying Edjumayefo nyina say one ya kokodrufo na onya no kwarefo so ewo adwumayuma no nsem bi na no pay me dey browse Adom TV Badwam kase or share live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra, Go TV at 119, DSTV at 280, uko YouTube search Adom TV 2, adomonline.com and same way ni bebre so ewo ho. Me di de afia amankwa tamaklo. Afia ni die mienti said nsem chemo ankasa etie. Ghana Mampani John Dramani Mahama editu edwachire mu say Ghana this year ya womu enim de ewo natural resources emu no wonso hwe emfa wo ho animu ye na ni nyina no ebeto dwa na de ekoso aban ene daman mines for womo entema waye adwuma ne bebre mfie aduasan wo madwuma braso wo pon wo adwuma womo ene wo mawie nsonti ase anya adwuma nti ne Mampani di tudwa se ebraso se Ghana fo ewo nimdie nso ye de womo hye beebi etiti sei na tumi aboa mamfaso no atena maimu.
And the capital is available in the world to mobilize, to be able to do the same things. And that is why recently we had a little issue which we have resolved with one of our mining companies whose lease had expired after 30 years. And it was our desire to take it over and use Ghanaian expertise to be able to also exploit that resource and let the benefits remain in our country.
The Casa Yemun was science ready to just say Enchakura, or Baba Bokwaya to Honomo said the Beya, Timemufu, Ebenya Quenya, Edwin Washer from a good year to Nabuama Wonum Edi.
In the next few months, we'll develop a policy on indigenous participation in our natural resource exploitation. And anytime, we're not going to expropriate anybody's concession or anything, but anytime a lease comes up for renewal, we would want to negotiate to see that there's more Ghanaian participation, indigenous Ghanaian participation in these things, so that we can also raise the resources to bring prosperity to our people.
Mampani John Dramani Mahama Guso Kasana, we know presidential office, Edjumayefo, and the four and nine entity, and she and who ya de Emma Womo. Neno na Mampani John Dramani Mahama de to jache mo se reset agenda no betumi edru ne botaye ho a je se wonmo adwumayefo nyina na etene ma hodo bia se ode ato wonmo anim wonya kokodrufo wonya no kwaredifo wo adwuma wo yemu.
We're not here simply to orient ministers. We're here to shape a collective mindset, a shared vision for leadership that is people-centered, that is innovative, transparent, and that is transformational. Ghana needs more than just competent administrators. We need bold reformers, ministers who will lead with courage, who will say what needs to be said, do what needs to be done, and who will stand by the truth even when it is inconvenient to say so.
Mampani esanso de to one man we treasure hono mu nyina enimu say.
Let me remind you of the social contract we have entered into. The Ghanaian people expect us to deliver, and we must not with excuses but with results.
So for ya wo sharp omuden ho nsam so kwabna minta kando na ne wode to adokota for Watermanley Teaching Hospital say one mo tiatia na ni die mu ko besre so one mo ebejaye. And in the moon, what a nearma woodwa hospital no eninti ama pomoden, and whom some said and was a John and National and Coswono, or the Acomao.
And so, my humble appeal to my wonderful medical doctors and health professionals at Tamale Teaching Hospital is that I am the first person to take care of your interest. And therefore, let's call off the strike and let's all regroup and strategize going forward.
abra wonom ede ayaresabia mfidie ahodoɔ eduasanum ema empanyinfo a wɔda Tamale Teaching Hospital anono ena kwabnaminta akando ede ato adwumayefo no animu se
I have some equipment, some consumables, and some medicines to be donated to Tamale Teaching Hospital. As you can see, we have the EEG as part of the donation, nebulizer set, we have the fetal heart detector, we have the ECG machine, and we have infant incubators.
Pressure group, here your more Generational Right Protection Society. And they were no more tires or by yesterday a tia bunch of be no, and they a posy for aquajesuno at the atoll so free court, Cassie Echu.
Yemra court. And for now, the end to me, the young found we are court in Yamia much at 9 o'clock. You buy a when him say court in Cebu, when they himself discuss the way forward as far as the demonstration is concerned. And they say almost for the court sermons. Is it yeah, person may cancel but what we know is we are going to court tomorrow at 9 a.m. High Court.
And what and a lead convener Okatechi Frifa Mensa and so Echimwa.
For the importance and how significant a yes demonstration we protecting the rights of the next generation, we cannot go any other place than the seat of government. Until such a time, the court will make an order so a one demonstration. All right.
Yatwa Kasiano so Mensimo Krache was Sutifi South, wa Hafumanta Moye Benjamin Asabil Donko. And they were be a agriculture home and Newman Fidiebi and a Dadeja Assembly Honma and Yashe or in Chimui Amakasi.
Young agriculture home Fidiebi Gugua and Yajuma. Yako for 100, you can be first as agriculture home video. You bet me there, Juma. By and put you in by, you better your baby beer. One nama and put you in a course of a Sutifi South.
And which was alcohol zoom lie waste container, being so and no was say as you want. Now the two Adom Cassia and him say, and check when yan into yes, so any being waste containers for fra, a Badwam when in some etimia conkai.
Yamiadum, a bro moncron, I 9, say the baby see a Sutifi South. And he said, and chronobadia, near Yancy Bueno, and paying for a refa a cobaby. But now, so much and said, she saw when be ya, or baby or a critical area, I bet me a quaquisia, a bit man sabolano.
A poemantum coordinator Adom TV, patience, Boachua, or the other sender to about anymore, say, 1 man so 1 hair said, do one who be TV to know a moon to me a bois, ama a new man why a dano, abafo.
Project near Ghana TV voucher project. Into a free TV training. Ewo Ghana afenye nyina. Into had near the first one ewo Ghana Eastern region ha. Into focus and say be more skill a ombetimi dia ye adwuma. Enti me futu am be more say omo ma ade bi omo besua ha no enso mo bo na afo mo mfa nya adwuma.
Eno achi wonu ma odo adesua ba wie bi ni Adom kase twetwe nkomo kire de wo mo kosua ye ene de obetimi aye.
Bachelor me ba me fact vocational center no manya experience bebre especially ye ma ye toto wo abonten no ebi wo hwa na ye nim how to pronounce the name but ye ba me fact no ye hu we nyina e na san boa ye nso ama ye timi e posti ye nduma ekọ world ye hu computer mu how to store onema how a obeye onema afa in case say u book eyira ana wenya obetimi store onema e wo computer so
Maminyina no so Adom TV Badwam kase na hana bema kwan na me de siaseda ye odia emra ne adaje a wode ma yenti wadaroma de bonkrata no wo ho online de no so ye krado ye de to so ama